How to fix Samsung Health app not working problem. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Samsung Health app not working issue. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store or App Store. Check for the updates of Samsung Health application. If you find any, tap Update button to update app to the latest version. Updating the app to the latest version help us get rid of different kinds of bugs and glitches on the application. Once done, try app try opening the app. If the app is still not working or opening, you need to head towards the settings on your device. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, you can try switching between mobile data. Come back, tap Mobile Network. Select your SIM card. Select Preferred Network Type. Select 4G, 3G, 2G or Auto Preferred Network Type. Come back, select Access Point Names. Tap three dots at top right corner and reset access points. Once you do that, you need to check whether your issue has been persisted or not. If not yet, go to Connection and Sharing and turn on airplane mode for a while. Switch it back after 2 or 3 seconds. Now, scroll down. Open Apps. Tap App Management. Tap Search bar at top of the screen. Type in Samsung Health. Open it. Scroll down. Select Storage Uses and Clear Cache as well as Clear Data. This will help us get rid of glitches on the app. Tap Battery Uses. Now tap Force Stop. Lastly, following all the steps, try restarting your device. And that is how we fix Samsung Health app not working problem. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.